Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will explain you how to get permanent residency in Finland. And this video is for students and workers. So if you are studying, planning or working in Finland and thinking about settling over there, then this video is for you. Today I will break down how to get permanent residency, which is PR, in Finland step by step, including requirements, timelines, and you should also avoid some common mistakes if you're applying permanent residency in Finland. So in this video, you will get all these things. So watch this video till the end. And before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself for our new viewers. मेरा नाम नितिल कुमार श्रीवास्तव है and मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बोलोनिया का स्टूडेंट हूँ एंड मैं स्टडी वीजा, वर्क वीजा एंड ट्रैवल वीजा पे वीडियो बनाता हूँ. अब मैं आता हूँ वीडियो के टॉपिक पे डायरेक्टली. सो व्हाट इज परमानेंट रेसिडेंसी इन फिनलैंड? बेसिकली परमानेंट रेसिडेंसी इन फिनलैंड इज ऑफिशियली कॉल्ड अ पी टाइप रेसिडेंस परमिट. इट अलाउज यू टू लिव इन फिनलैंड indefinitely, work without restrictions, access more social benefit, stay without renewing your permit again and again. But it's not automatic. You need to qualify first. You will not grab by just landing in the Finland. There are some procedures, some requirements, some deadlines, some guidelines that you have to follow. So the basic requirement to apply for PR in Finland, you have to live in Finland for 4 years continuously. This must be on a continuous residence permit, which is A permit. Time on temporary permit, B permit, usually doesn't count fully. Okay, you should have a stable income. You must prove you can support yourself. No reliances on social welfare. No serious criminal record and valid residence permit at the time of application. So these are the basic requirements that you have to fulfill while doing PR application in Finland. For international students, if you are a student in Finland, so your student residence permit are usually B permit, which is temporary permit. This means your study years may not fully count toward PR. So what you will do, you have to follow few steps. After graduation, you have to get a job in Finland, switch to a work-based residence permit, which is A permit. Start counting yours 4 years from there. So basically, आपका जो study period है, the study period of yours while in Finland will not count when it comes to get Finland PR. You have to live 4 years more after completing your studies. You have to work and then after you can apply for the Finnish PR. So Finland now also allows graduates to apply for a job seeking permit, giving you time to find work. So basically, if you are coming to Finland for studies, so you will have in simple word 1 to 1.5 year of extensions, which is job seeking visa, which every countries do provide. So you can find job and then after you can stay in Finland for 4 years and then they will count it as a resident permit application requirement. Okay. So if you are a worker in Finland, if you are already working in Finland, you likely have an A-type residence permit. This is perfect. Your time is already counting toward PR. But make sure your job is stable, your income meets requirement, you renew your permit on time. And after 4 continuous years, you can apply for PR. Now, if I talk about what is continuous versus temporary permit, so A permit is a continuous permit, which is totally counts towards the PR pathway. In simple word, अगर आप A permit पे आते हो Finland, if you are working in Finland, you are a job professional, work professional, if you are doing any sorts of work over there, so your permit will be A. If you are coming in Finland on study visa, so your permit will be B, which will be limited or no counting. And आपको मैं बताऊंगा कि application process को कैसे आप conduct करना है. So you have to apply online through the Finnish Immigration Service website. You have to book an appointment to verify your identity, submit documents. And those documents should be your passport, residence permit details, proof of income, and you have to also pay the application fee to admit yourself for the application of Finland permanent residency. This process can take few months, so you should apply early. So in this video, I have explained you about the Finland permanent residency process, like how you can grab requirements, what you have to do. Like in the last, I will tell you some common mistakes that you have to avoid. You have to B permit वहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं रहना है. You don't have to stay too long on B permit. There should be gap between permits. Not meeting income requirement is also a problem. So try to meet your income requirement before the application for Finland PR. Finnish PR. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind while applying the permanent residency of Finland. And in this video, I hope I have explained you everything. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो, then you have to do only one simple thing. You have to share this video. You have to subscribe the channel. You have to follow for more. Thank you guys for watching this.